We have left Bangri Poshi and it is 6 o'clock, and now we are heading towards Baripada. Our plan is to visit Shimlipal today, and for Shimlipal there are two entry points, one from Baripada and one from Pithabota. So we will go through Pithabota route. After 7 kilometers from Bangri Poshi, we have taken right turn and now we are heading towards Baripada. This is called most probably NH18, and since it's early morning, the traffic is absolutely clear and my son is on the wheels. As a new driver, I have cautioned him to drive safely. And Baripada, it is showing another 27 kilometers from Google Map. Actually, you need to reach the ticket counter as early as possible because they allow only 25 vehicles at a time, and by 9 o'clock, after 9 o'clock they don't issue any car permit. So this should be remembered. So you should leave as early as possible for Shimlipal. We have reached Baripada town and we are passing through Baripada at this moment, and from here it is around 22 kilometers. We have reached Pithabota gate, and this is from where the Lulung entry points. Shimlipal, this is the place from where Shimlipal starts. Let's get out of the car. So this is the entry gate. The Shimlipal entry gate is here. From here you have to get the permit for your vehicle and get inside. We have entered Shimlipal forest. Now the problem is nowadays they are not allowing any car less than 180 millimeter ground clearance. So the chances of getting inside with a low ground clearance car is absolutely zero. I don't know, previously I have seen videos, some cars they were allowing, but now they have totally stopped. So either you have to hire those boleros that are waiting outside, or if you have a high ground clearance car, they will allow you. So please keep in mind, if you come to Shimlipal forest, they will allow you till Lulung, and after Lulung you can't get inside. So that is the main problem. So our total excitement has been shattered, as Lulung is nothing. Actually it's an entry place to this. This is one of the ecotourism centers in Lulung. You can stay here also, and they have both AC non-AC cottages, and for this you can book online, or there is a forest reservation office in Pithabota. There also you can book, but the best process is to book online. So this is one of the accommodation. we have crossed that particular broken patch. First time I was little bit afraid whether I should cross that particular patch or not, but I have successfully crossed it. Fingers crossed. Now I am heading towards Lulung. Lulung is 4 kilometers from the entry point. দাঁড়া, এখানে আবার জেনে নিতে হবে
এই তো লুলুং, এই দিকটা,
এইদিকে। হ্যাঁ, ওইটা হচ্ছে কোর।
দাদা একবার দেখি কি কি আছে জায়গাটা। ওইটা 80 কিলোমিটার ভেতরে যাওয়া যায়, নাওয়ানা, ভালুফানি।
So you find forests on both sides and it's really enjoying. There is really some off-roading is there. Last time I went to Dolma Hilltop. So in Dolma Hilltop also they allowed my Swift, but here they are not allowing it at all. Only they allow those cars, those who have the permit for inner tourism camp. Otherwise, they won't allow any car of this size. Yes, there are quite a number of stretches which are quite tricky. So I will always advise to people to come with car of higher ground clearance if they wish to visit the inner core areas. I have 2 cars, but none of the cars are of 180 millimeter and above. So I have to fulfill my heart content visiting Lulung only. And the road is along the Moscola river. ওই যে ভেতরে
দাঁড়াম, নামছি, এই গাড়ি লেগে যাবে আমার।
না না, লাগবে না। This is the Lulung viewpoint, and from here you are no more allowed to get inside, and here the tourists are allowed up to this point, and some people come here to do picnic. And there is the Lulung resort. From here you can watch. There is the Lulung resort. People may book ecotourism cottages, and this booking is available online. This is the Palpala river. This is the Palpala river, and you can spend some time here, and it's really a lovely view. The area that is surrounded by hills, and the sun is just going to rise up in the middle. It's still not that warm, and cool air is blowing at this moment. Really an enjoyable experience. At least if you come to Bangliposhi, you should definitely come to at least Lulung if you come with a low ground clearance car. Otherwise, if you have idea of visiting the core area, you have to come in a car with a higher ground clearance. That is 180 millimeter is their minimum specification. Let's go down. Now we are on our way to Sitakund waterfalls. This is also one added attraction beside your Shimlipal forest. So if you come to Shimlipal forest, you should definitely visit this Sitakund also. So we are heading towards Sitakund. We have parked our car. Now we are walking through the jungle trek towards Sitakund. So it's a good amount of walking. If you are on weak foot, it will be difficult for you to reach this particular place. But the view is really nice. Forest on both sides and some gravel roads. And the weather is very calm and cool. You can hear the rippling water sound from a distance. Let's go and those are the hill ranges. So this is Sitakund Falls. We are in front of Sitakund Falls. You can hear the sound of waterfalls. This is also one of the prime view areas of this near Shimlipal forest. So if you come to Shimlipal forest, definitely you should visit this place. Really a nice view. And the weather is very cool today, other than the sun. And since this is all the tourists normally come during the winter season, the season has just started, but today, since it is a Monday, so there are no tourists today. So we are actually enjoying the peace and tranquility of this area. The falls, this falls coming from that particular hill. There's the hill. So our trip comes to an end. The Lulung visit, the Sitakund visit, all this visit has been completed, and now we'll get back home, and it will be around 6 hours journey. It is already 9:37, so that means say it's 10 around. So by 4 o'clock we are expected to reach home. So thank you very, very much. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and do comments in the comment section below what are your experience with my particular visit. Thank you very much and goodbye.